You might be done, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm doing that again. You do that, and I'll just never let you do it again.
That was real good.
All right, no.
All right, here we go. Drake's learning how to drive. Hey, man, who all got to start off driving in a WRX
That's right.
transmission? All right, Drake's gonna see what he's got here.
All right.
See if he'll stall it out or if he'll take off.
Push the clutch, buddy.
Man.
Still ease it out and more gas. So remember, the feet work opposite. So see, you're flying out with it. Like you're still easing it out to the end of that thing.
There is no flying out. It's not like you're racing on that.
You'll fly out when you're in between, when you're shifting from like first, second to third, but on that takeoff, it's easing out the whole way as you're progressively giving it more gas. Yeah, there you go. Hell yeah. Yeah, boy. All right, now drift it.
No,
but that was a pretty clean.
That was a pretty clean shift, yeah. See, normally you're not going to downshift into first. You're just going to push the clutch in, brake and stop, and then go into first.
Yeah.
You can. There's few instances where you really need to downshift into first. It's
it's like very
rare.
You're never going to really do that.
He's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, you're going left. You're like NASCAR here.
I know, he is, ain't he?
That's good. Not too bad. He might be a natural.
Maybe. All right, pushing the clutch. Stop.
Clutch all the way in. Yeah, there you go. Because you don't want.
No, I was gonna say try it again.
You want me to try it again?
Yeah, one more time. Let's...
Yeah, get these where you can do it every single time. That's what we need.
Nope.
See, you're trying to fly out with it. You're trying to rush it.
Yeah. You got it. Everything you did on your video game, do the opposite.
No, I ain't gonna let all the way out on
More gas, more gas. There you go. Hey,
There it is.
that's pretty smooth. That's pretty smooth. Yeah, you got the first to second. So don't go back in the. Well, you don't need to go in the first. But there you go.
that. I gotta work on the downshifts, but
Well, you don't.
Well, you're not downshifting the
dude.
first. That's why it's that would always be jerky. Cause,
Yeah. Like that's just to get you going.
Yeah,
that's
first.
right there.
I mean, you could take off in second. I take off in second sometimes, especially if it's downhill or I don't completely stop, or I'm just,
All right, let's try taking off again.
yeah. So you don't need to put it into first until you all the way stop, but.
Oh, damn.
Oh, you saved it. You saved it. More gas, more gas.
There it
That
is.
was real smooth.
Yeah.
That was super smooth. Yeah, you don't want to let it out fast, and you don't want to hold it there at the end either. You do want to get your foot off it because you're right there. You don't want to be slipping the clutch, and even people that drove manuals for a long time will slip the clutch. So you're not slipping it, but there's that kind of balance between letting it out too fast and holding it at that last little spot where you're not fully off, but you're mostly off.
Let's try it again.
Clutch in, all the way. There you go.
There it is.
Wow. That was fucking good. That was real good.
All right, no.
I'm not gonna do it.
I don't care. You're not doing that again. You do that, and I'll just never let you do it again. So, there's that.
That's definitely making the video right there. So the next challenge is taking off on a hill. That's where
That's gonna be
that's
further down.
in an
Try it again.
In extreme cases. So clutch in all the way. There you go. More, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. We'll get it.
More gas, more gas. Here's what your foot is doing. Your foot's going, and you're staying there with the gas, and you're still continuing to let the clutch out. As your clutch comes out.
There's that guy.
As your clutch comes out, your foot is going down. So as you're lifting up, foot's going down. And then when you push in to shift gears, it's the opposite. So your feet are always working simultaneously, just doing the opposite things. And we're slightly on a hill, so.
Ooh. Okay, you might be done, buddy.
Yeah.
Because that didn't sound good.
Good. That was real good.
Alright, no.
I'm not gonna do it for
I don't care. You're not doing that again. You do that, and I'll just never let you do it again. So, there's that.
That's definitely making the video right there.